You usually start work at 9, don't you, Maggie?
That's right. Why?
Well, it's 1:15. You're late.
I'm not working today. I'm having a day off.
What's so special about today?
It's Ben's birthday today. I always have a day off on his birthday.
Who's Ben?
This is Ben, my little dog. We're going to the park to have a picnic.
Are you crazy? Do you always celebrate your dog's birthday with a day off work?
Sure. My boss is visiting a client today, so he doesn't need me.
I'm coming with you and Ben.
Why? Aren't you working today?
No. How can I work on Ben's birthday? Let's go.
Okay, but I have to ask Ben if he wants you to come.
Oh, yes, but let me ask him. Ben? Good boy. Ben, can I come with you and Maggie? Hey, have you got any candles for Ben?
No, because last year Ben had problems blowing them out.
Maybe I will get a dog if it's an excuse for a day off.
So let's go and have a party in the park.
Welcome to ABBA English, your personal online English course. Studying with us, you will be able to speak everyday English in a practical, fun, and comfortable way from the very first moment. Take the next step. Take the level test and we'll send you a free personalized study plan.
ABBA English, real life learning.